A living trust is a legal tool that helps you manage and distribute your assets during your lifetime and after you pass away. Think of a trust as a container for your property. You decide how that property is used and who eventually receives it. In a typical revocable living trust, you remain in full control of your assets, acting as both the creator and the manager. The primary goal for many is to bypass the probate process, which can be time-consuming, expensive, and a matter of public record. While a will only takes effect after death, a living trust is active immediately, providing benefits while you are still alive. Probate can involve significant court and attorney fees. Trusts often reduce these costs significantly by keeping the transfer process out of court. Simply writing the document isn't enough. You must retitle your bank accounts and property in the name of the trust to make it work. Estate laws vary by state, so consider consulting a qualified attorney. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for more finance basics.